everyone. Hi, yeah. Guys, in today's session, we are going to witness a debate. And that's not going to be between two groups or two members. That's going to take place between three different groups. Okay, so here we have got three different groups, but one group is completely individual. Okay, so there are three topics. Topic is farmers, soldiers, or doctors. Here we have got the boys. They are supporting soldiers. Thereafter we have got Nana. Nana is supporting doctors are the one who serves more to a nation. Thereafter we have got a pair of girls. They believe no way. Farmers are the one who serves more to our nation. So let's see how we're gonna lead this debate ahead. And here we start. So as we know that in our country, farmers they contribute more because we know about like when whatever we eat because of our farmer, whatever we like in our farmer this they produce more things and more crops in our country. As we know that in our country that is a very crowded country in the world, but our farmer they produce more crops for us. So I believe that farmer they contribute more to our country. A little bit agree with you, but I believe that soldiers they serve most for a nation because they contribute their own life, their whole life spending in our for our nation. They protect our whole country and they spend too much time. They don't think about their whole family. They only spend their time for protecting our whole country. What I believe, I think farmers and soldiers are good at their point, but I think doctor has more contribution because in this world there is many person who are not injured or who are not suffer any type of problem related to health. Because in ancient times we have Oshvi. So how we can neglect doctors? Because they are the person who secure and who treat people lives and who saves their lives. I think doctor has second god of every human beings. Sumit, as you said, soldiers are spending their life on the borders. I agree with your point, but we can see that in farmers also. Farmers are spending their whole day in their farms for produce crops for produce crops for us, and also uh, they aside they keep aside their interest or their needs for us. I little bit agree with you because I know food is a must thing for all human beings. But if soldiers are not present for us, how we produce how any farmer produce crops if he is not secure and safe because he has many danger zone like anyone any country they fight and they take you in their own country. But see, we can't live without food. Yes. And to produce food, we need farmers. If soldiers are protecting us, then farmers are also protecting us because they producing foods for us. So food is necessary for everyone and is it's very important need of us. So farmers, if food is important, then farmers are also important because they are helping us to provide us food. I don't say Didi ki farmers do not serve for a nation. They serve, but soldiers most they they serve more than farmers because they give us security and safe. That's why we are doing farming. We are learning something. If we don't have soldiers, then how we roam in roads, how we purchasing, how we open our markets. Soldiers just also need doctors because if soldier has injured any type of problem or any type of things, then how they can survive and where they can go. And even farmers, when they are doing cropping in their field, in their grounds, then when they are injured, then they are also into doctors. And you are talking about food.
In this world, there is no any person who are not eating artificial foods. You can see, like, no one any single person who are eating always fresh food. Somewhere they are eating artificial foods, even fruits also. So how we can say that they are always eating pure fruits? Person can't eat artificial food for a whole day, for a whole week, or for a whole month. So if we eating artificial food today, he is going to eat fresh food tomorrow. So every person eat fresh food. I want to ask a question. What do you think about family? We know that family is most important for us because if they don't support us, then how we grow ourselves. But if I talk about soldier, they don't have family support because they don't have family attachment. They live their life on borders, on states border, and how they don't have any leave for a meeting, for a meet for their own family. And doctors and farmers they live with their own family and they enjoy their life. But soldiers they don't get this attachment. What about it? You know who is working, who are in armies, they has very like they paid lot of money, and they are the people who are the help who help their family with the help of money, like financial happiness. And doctor, they are one who live, who protect ourselves, because every human beings who are going to hospital, they are also dependent on doctors. They if they saying that you have this type of problem and you have to take this medicine, then they are doing same things what doctor said. So they are the also people who save human life. As we eating food, like without food, we all know about we can't survive our life. So, like, if you're talking about medicine, when injured, we have to take a medicine. So, without food, medicine can't work. What about this? You know, whenever people suffer from any type of thing, just like overthinking or cancer or appendix or like this kind of issues, or they are eating healthy food. Even that time they are not healthy and they are not well. So how you can say that with the help of food you can survive? Even with the help of food, people are dying because of eating food, because they have no medicine, they have no doctor, they are not going to hospital. That's why we can see that hospitals are make doctors are make these things like treatment like in business. They are they are earning more and more money. Like if your person is injured or is it is or he or she is unhealthy, so they say that shift him in the shift them in ICU. Maybe there is no need to them in ICU, but in ICU they charge for a day like 10,000, 15,000. They make the whole thing is big in type of business. What can you say about this? You know, we have no other options. If we are doing this with the help of money, we can give doctor money, doctors giving money, or we can shift in their home and we can die in our home because we have no options. It's compulsory that you have to give money and you have to shift in ICU. Heart attack is very common disease. Like if we are talking about teenage, they are also have heart attack and they are dying. Junk food is very common, which all people are eating. Because of junk food, we have food poison because of eating food. So how you can say that food is good? If doctor is saying too much money, it's good. We have to give him. And the second option, do you have? We don't have option, but it's not good enough. Why they?
Not good, but how you can say that every doctor are doing the same thing?
But you know that majority always win, because in India we can see we have many private hospitals and government hospitals. We know about government hospital condition. That's why people they go in private hospital and they spend their whole life earning and then they get good treatment.
Government or private, you can saying about doctor. How you can say that government or private, it's all about doctors. It's the responsibility of government.
It's responsibility of government.
Yeah.
How?
How you can say that government or private hospitals?
Because this is the question. We have private hospitals, they get too much money. Though they don't give us too much facilities.
Yes, we know that private hospitals get lot of money, but they give facilities. Who can say that they cannot give facilities?
If they get if they want money, so they can provide us full facilities. They don't have good machine. When anyone come in their in their hospital, they take money and then after 2 days 3 days then they started any work for treatment.